Hi there, it's Amy from HooperSonic with another quick tutorial for you. We're going to look at a basic waist spin with a turn. Keeping your elbows tucked in nice, you're going to want to lever the hoop into your belly button while activating your core. Now I'm going to serve the hoop around and follow its rotation with my body. Make sure you go both ways. Whee! When you follow the hoop's rotation, the hoop will travel around your body slower. This is really helpful for learning new on-body techniques. You might also notice that I'm stepping in a pretty small area on the ground. Try not to travel around in a big circle too much. You don't have to spin around fast to get a result, but the faster you follow the hoop, the slower the hoop will travel around your body. Look at you go, you nailed it!